Hello students, how are you? Jai Hind. In previous videos, we discussed about the place value, and in a second video we discuss about the greater than number and less than number. Now today in this video I will explain you that how to write ascending numbers and descending numbers. But before that I will explain you that what is ascending order numbers and what is descending order numbers. So for that here I draw one ladder. We explain that how to write ascending order number and descending order numbers. Now look at here. This first ladder showing the number sequence of ascending order. Ascending order means the numbers start from smaller to big. That is like this way. That is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So in a ascending order we we start the number from smaller and we have to stop up to the big number. The same way here, this ladder shows the sequence of descending order numbers, right? Now here descending order means the numbers we started from big to small, right? Like this way, that is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the ascending order means the numbers which is going up smaller to bigger, right? And descending order means that coming down, that bigger to smaller. Now in previous video we learned about that how to find out the greater number and smaller number. With the help of that method, here we can write whatever the numbers which are given in whatever the order. We have to arrange that number in ascending order and descending order. So first I will give you one example that if the few numbers are given in any sequence, that how to arrange that number in ascending order. Okay, here one example is given that arrange the numbers in ascending order, and in examples the numbers are 324, 624, 528, 578, 444 and 98. Now we have to arrange these number according to ascending order, right? And we know very well that what is the ascending order. In ascending order we have to first write down the smaller number. Okay, now look at here, in all these number, all the numbers are in a 3-digit, but the 98 is in a 2-digit number. So but obvious 98 is a smaller number. Okay, so we first write 98. Right? Now after 98, look at these numbers. Okay, now we learned the method in a previous video, that is how to find out greater than and less than number. Okay, use this method here, right? Now after 98, the smaller number. Okay, now see here 324, 624. Okay, so first see that which number is on 100 place. Okay, here is a 3 and here is a 6. So from 3 and 6, which number is smaller? Yes, 3, right? So we write here 324, and whatever number we wrote on that number we have to put the cut like this way, right? Okay, after 324, okay, look at these 4 numbers, right? After 300, which digit comes? 400, right? So we cut the 444, right? Write down 444. Now after that 4, right? See these three numbers. Now compare these two. This one is 528 and this one is a 578. So first see the number which is present on a 100 place. So see here it is 5. Here it is also 5. Okay. So now see the tens place value. Here is a 2 and here is a 7. Right. So which number is smaller? 2. Okay. So we first write the 528. And then after we write 578. Okay, after 578, which number remain? Yes, this one, 624. Okay, so now look at here, all the numbers are arranged in an ascending order, right? Now see the second number example. In that, numbers which are given are 128, 109, 424, 329, 456 and 678. Now we have to arrange these number in an ascending order. Okay, so for that, see the numbers. Okay, 100 place number of all the given numbers, right? So here is a 1, here is a 1, right? Now this 100 place number are same. Okay, so far we take the tens place value. Here is a 2 and here is a 9. Okay, we know very well that 0 is smaller and 2 is bigger, and we have to arrange this number in a ascending order. So we first write the smaller number. So this 109 is a smaller number. Okay, so we cut that number and then after we write down 128. Okay, now see 100 place value, that this one is a 4, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so on 100 place value, which number is smaller first? 3, right? So then after we write here 329. After 3, which number comes? 4. But now look at here, from the 4, 2 numbers are given. So how to write? First see here, on 100 place 4 are present. Now see the tens place value. Here is a 2 and here is a 5. Okay, so 2 is smaller, 5 is bigger. So first we write 424 and then after we write down here 456, right? After 4, which number remain? Yes, this one, last one, that is 678. Okay, now then after the next is arrange the given number in descending order, and we know the meaning of descending order. Descending means arrange the number from bigger to smaller. Okay, so one example is I will give you here. Now look at the numbers which are given here: 224, 426, 620, 521, 409 and 622. Okay, now first look at the 100 place value of all the given numbers. Okay, so here is a 2, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6. Okay, now out of these all the numbers, which number is bigger or which 100 place number is bigger? Yes, the 620 and 622. Both are the bigger numbers. Okay, now see 100 place, both are 6. Now see on a tens place, here is a 2, here is also 2. So now compare the unit place value. Here is a 0 and here is a 2. So we know very well that is 0 is smaller and 2 is a bigger. and we have to arrange the number in a descending order. So we first write the bigger number. So we write here 622. So we cut on that number, and then after we write down 620. So then after we write down 620. Okay, after 6, which number? 5. Yes. So see the 100 place value. Here is a 5. So write down the 521. Okay, we have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. So look at here the sequence. Okay, 622 is bigger, then after smaller, then after smaller. Okay, now again check the 100 place value of the remaining numbers. Yes, after 5, which number comes? 4. Now on the 4, here two numbers are given, 426 and 409. Now check the 100 place value. Here and here both are 4. Check the tens place value. Here is a 2 and here is a 0. So which number is bigger? 2, right? So from 226 and 426 and 409, which number is bigger? Yes, 426. So we first write here 426, then cut on that number, and then write 409 and cut on that number. Okay, now which number is remain? 2. Okay, so number is 224. Now see the second example. The numbers are given are 126, 378, 291, 21, 459 and 780. Okay, now we have to arrange this number in a descending order, right? So for that we have to first check the 100 place value of the given numbers. Okay, so here is a 1, here is a 3, here is a 2. Now first see here, all the numbers which are given here are 3-digit number. Only this 21 is a 2-digit number, and we have to arrange this number in a descending order. Okay, that means bigger to smaller. So this one is the last number. Okay, now see the 100 place value of the given numbers. Here is a 1, 3, 2, 4, 7. Okay, so which 100 place number is bigger? Yes, 7. Okay, so we first write down 780, right? After 7, which number comes? Yes, which number is bigger? 100 place number? 4. 459. Okay, after 4, which number comes? After 4, which number is smaller than the 4? Yes, this one, 378. 378. Cut on that number. After 3, which number is smaller? Yes, 291. Okay, you have to just see the 100 place value. Okay, if the given number of the 100 place value is same, okay, then you have to see the tens place value, okay, which we discussed earlier also. Okay, after 291, right, cut on that number. Okay, so after 2, which number is smaller? 1. Okay, so we write down here 126. So we cut on that number. Okay, and what remain? 21, right? So see the sequence here. All the numbers as goes from bigger to smaller. 780, 459. Okay, I hope you understand in this video that how to write ascending and descending order of the given number. Thank you.